Sup everybody, hello, it's your boy here Khalil back with another video, and today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna show you how you can customize the living crap out of your Samsung device, right? First of all, you need to head on to Samsung Galaxy Store and you need to download Good Luck. Yeah, we're gonna use Good Luck for many stuff. If you do not have Good Luck for whatever reason, or your phone does not support it, you can download Fine Lock. It does the same thing. So we're gonna open Good Luck, and here is the fun. Here is the fun, right? So first of all, we have theme park. Theme park is amazing to customize the theme of your device. You can customize anything, right? From the keyboards, you can choose, you can create your own keyboards, you can create your own look, you can create the colors that you want. Right here, as you can clearly see, you can customize everything, right? From the quick panel, you can also customize the color of your quick panel, and you can just save it, give it the name that you want. I'm gonna call it one, save, and I need to apply it. Hit apply and give it a second or two, depending on your device. As you can clearly see, how fast was that? I mean, that this is amazing. And icons, you can customize your icons, and this is the part I'm excited. You can choose the shape right here. As you can clearly see, you can choose the shape that you want. For example, I like this shape. Here you can choose effect. You can make it glossy, you can make it transparent like the the company. You can add a gradient, you can add detone, you can add everything. For example, I choose this. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna call it one again. Okay, and then I'm gonna apply it like this. Apply and give it a second, quit. And as you can clearly see, my icons changed shape, and they also changed the color a little bit. And this is only scratching the surface. After that, we have LockStar. LockStar is amazing if you want to customize the lock screen of your device. You can customize the effect when you unlock your device. You can customize the buttons. You can customize everything that your heart desires. I'm just gonna show you what I did, and you can add in the future. As you can clearly see, we changed the lock animation. This is nice. You cannot tell me this is not nice. Now let's get to the real stuff. K Cafe. Here you can customize the look of your keyboard, the effect, the animations. As you can clearly see, you can choose an effect, an animation, hit apply, and your keyboard now changed, right? You can make your own keyboard, you can make your own gestures, you can make your own look and feel, you can make your everything. You can change everything that you want, you can design everything you want, the effect, the colors, the sound. You can even change the sounds. Can you imagine that? And it's amazing. Let's hit exit and let's go test this somewhere. Let's test it here, neat. Why not? As you can clearly see, my keyboard changed, the look changed, the feel changed, which is amazing. And then we have Navigation Star. Navigation Star allows you to do like this. I put my logo as the back buttons, right? Just turn on Navigation Star, come here to side back, just the icon. In here you can choose an icon, you can choose a picture like I did, you can choose a sticker, everything. I choose my personal logo, and it is amazing. Home Up. Home Up is what allows me to do this, change the orientation like this. And for example, I can even do something crazier. I can do this. Sorry, I need to hold for a second. I can do this, right? Go crazy, right? It's your phone, man. I can do this, with DIY like this. Just tap anywhere, and yeah, they are working. They're working. Their phone, their icons. Sorry, I got off screen. So in order for us to do that, we're just gonna go to Home Up, right? Home Up like this, and we're gonna turn on DIY Home. Just give it a second. Home screen, DIY Home, and you can customize everything that you want. As you can clearly see, make it circular, make it rectangular. You are the master of your phone. So as I said, I'm just scratching the surface. I'm just showing you the potentials, the possibilities, and then you have the right to do everything that you want. Staying in Home App, there is one thing I want to show you, which I like to do, is the task manager. I can change the task manager, and I can change the task manager, which is amazing, Is it useless? Yeah. Is it fun? Hell yeah. So yeah, and we have Edge Lightning, Quick Start. You can customize the clock, you can customize the panel, you can customize this thing, you can customize everything. And I'm just scratching the surface, and I'm gonna leave the video here, because if I continued Holy smokes, we're gonna be here for another 5 minutes, 5 hours. So I'm just gonna tell you this: download Good Luck, download these modules, start customizing, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen.